Assalamualaikum. My name is Nursyahirah Binti Wazir and my metric number is 280245, and today I'm going to explain about types of polymer. So next. There are many types of polymer, but before that, polymer is actually a part of plastic, which plastic is a generic name for a family of synthetic materials that defined from petrochemicals. So polymer is one of the type where it comes from plastic. So polymers in construction is polymers account for the highest growth area in construction materials. Next is natural polymers. So natural polymers is one of the types of polymers. Natural polymers is a polymer that results from only raw materials that can be found in nature, for example, DNA and also cotton. Next is homopolymer. Homopolymer is synthesized from a single type of monomer, and it consists of chains with identical bonding linkages to each monomer unit. And next is copolymer. Copolymer is when there are two or more different monomers together to polymerize their result. So this process of where from monomer become copolymer is where it called the process copolymerization. Next is thermoplastics. So for example, thermoplastics are heated and removed 100% of times, can also be recycled. So this is the example of thermoplastics. Thermoplastics is a type of plastic that can be softened by heat, hardened by cooling, and then it can also be softened by heat over and over again. Next is the thermosets. So thermosets is the other example of polymer. It is almost the same as thermoplastic, but thermosets is much better because it have the property of becoming permanently hard and rigid when heated. So here, when it is heated and rigid, it should be at the room temperature only, and it do not soften during heating. For example, phenolic resins is one of the example of thermosets. And the last type of polymer is the long chain polymers. So in the picture is the example of the long chain polymers. It is a very long chain of repeating molecules linked together by primary bonds. So polymer chains are obtained by themselves in lines as they enter mode by being announced, so they each recoil, so they can be recoiled, and also it is a long chain of repeating molecules linked together, so that is long chain polymers. So that are the types of polymers, and that's all for me. Thank you.